Hello children, today I am going to start a new topic that is decimal. What is a decimal? A decimal is a fraction where the denominator is 0 or higher power of 0. For example, decimal is such fractions which have 10 or the powers of 10. Example 100 or 1000 or 10,000. For example, I am giving you 341 by 10,000. So this is also a decimal fraction. So decimal fraction is a fraction where the denominator should be 100, 10 or higher powers of 10, that is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh, like this. So these are the fractions. Now coming to the place value chart of decimal. So we have the two parts. First part is the integral part and the second part is the decimal part. In between the two parts we have a decimal point. So decimal point is a separation between the integral parts, which is also known as whole number part, and the decimal part. The whole number part we have learnt in our previous classes, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and above all. So these are the integral parts. Now we have a decimal point and we have the decimal places. So coming to the decimal places, the place value of the first place will be tenth, T-E-N-T-H, tenth, which means 1 by 10. The second place value is the hundredth, that is 1 by 100. Third place value is the thousandth, which is 1 by 1000. The fourth one comes 10,000, that is 1 by 10,000. Or you can also write like this: point 1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.001, 0.0001. Okay, understood? Tenth means 1 by 10 or 0.1. 100 means 1 by 100, or you can say 0.01. 1000 means 1 by 1000, that is 0.001, and 10,000 means 0.0001. Again, I am saying you 0001 because the numbers which comes after the decimal should be called as each individual. For example, if I am saying 42.69, so I will say 42.69. What we will say? 42.69, not 69. We will say 69. So 42.69. Another example, 1, 2. Here we will say 126.413, not 413. We will not say like this. What we will say? 126.413. So after the decimal point, the numbers are named as their individual, not combined form. So this is the name of the numbers and this is the place value chart of the decimal fractions. Now there are two types of decimal fractions: like and unlike fractions. The like fractions are those which have the same number of decimal places, and unlike fractions are those which do not have the same number of decimal places. For example, this one, 61.43, 64.816, 72.4. These three are unlike fractions. Why they are unlike fractions? Because after the decimal point we have two digits over here, means two decimal place. Here after the digit we have three decimal places, and here after digit we have only one decimal place. So these three are unlike fractions. Now how to make it as a like fraction? So here is 61.43, here is 64.816, and here is 72.4. Just inserting, putting zeros on these numbers, we can make them like fractions. For example, if we have 3 decimal places, higher one, if we have 3 decimal places, so here we have to make 2 decimal place as 3 decimal place. So just putting a 0 over here, we can make it as a 3 decimal place. Now this one 72.4, here what we will do, here we will add 2 decimal place by putting 2 zeros. Simple. So here also we have 3 decimal places, here also we have 3 decimal places, and here also we have the 3 decimal places. So these are the like fractions. Understood the difference between like and unlike fractions? So like fractions are those fractions which have same number of decimal places, and unlike are those which do not have the same number of decimal places. Now one exercise I am giving you, expand the following. Here we have to expand the number as the place value chart. 73.12. So how to expand it? See properly. So 73, just 70 plus 3 plus, now here it's decimal point and here it's 1. So we will do, it is in 10th place, we know that this is the 10th place and this is the 100th place. So what we will do, for the 10th place we will give 1 by 10, and for the 100th place we will write 2 by 100. Okay, we can also write like this, 70 plus 3 plus 0.1 plus 0.002, because it is in 100 place. 100 place means after one digit decimal place, leaving the one digit decimal place, the second one is the 100 place, so 0.02. Next one, 12.878. 12 means 10 plus 2, 12 plus, for 0.8 we will write 8 by 10th. For 0.07 we will write 7 by 100, and for another 8 we will write 8 by 1000. So we will do 10 plus 2 plus 0.8 plus 0.7 plus 0.008. Understood? Like this we will do the expansion. Now represent the decimal into the place value chart. Now we will represent this decimal into a place value chart. So 92.413, decimal value, ones, tens, 100, 1000, and here 10th, 100th, 1000. So 92 means 92.413. Like this, simply you can represent any decimal number in a place value chart. Hope you like the video. In the next video I will explain you how to convert a decimal fraction into a fraction, and to vice versa, means from fraction we can convert it into a decimal fraction.